So no one commented or asked me to make this video, but yet here I am making this video because A, I wanna prep you guys, my lovely viewers, ahead of time so that you don't get dandruff in the first place, and B, because I think that you guys might still have dandruff but you just don't know about it yet. But before I start with today's video, I'll be replying to some of the comments on my previous videos. So Suleiman Sheikh commented, bro रोज जिम करते हैं तो स्वेटिंग होती है तो रेगुलर हेयर वॉश करना पड़ता है तो क्या करें? भाई देखो, अगर तुम डेली वर्कआउट करते हो तो स्वेटिंग होना नेचुरल है ही, पर अब अगर तुम हेयर ग्रो कर रहे हो, लंबे बाल कर रहे हो तो डेली तो वॉश नहीं कर सकते ना भाई। तो इसका सॉल्यूशन यही है कि बस जो तुम्हारी टोटल पूरी लेंथ है उसको बचाओ किसी तरह से, टॉप नॉट में या फिर मैन बन में या फिर पोनी टेल में, जिससे एटलीस्ट पूरी लेंथ गंदी ना हो। स्कैल्प पर तो आएगा ही पसीना भाई। सो आई थिंक दैट्स द ओनली सोल्यूशन फॉर दिस प्रॉब्लम ब्रो। और अगर ज़्यादा ही प्रॉब्लम है, अभी छोटे बाल हैं, पूरे बाल गंदे हो जाते हैं, तो वीक में 2 या 3 बार वॉश कर लो, इससे ज़्यादा तो मत ही करो भाई अगर तुम लंबे बाल कर रहे हो। By the way, Suleiman bro, I love you man. You've always been there for me, motivating to bring you more videos. I love you bro. Yusheb Shehzad commented, bro sorry but your face shape isn't like that to keep long hair. Thanks for the compliment bro. Okay, so last one for today. Shiju TK commented, John Yaman all styles please. भाई मैं जॉन यमन को नहीं जानता, सुलेमान भाई ने बोला था इसलिए मैंने उन 2 हेयर स्टाइल्स की वीडियो बनाई थी। अगर तुम्हें कोई पर्टिकुलर हेयर स्टाइल का ट्यूटोरियल चाहिए तो तुम मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पर पिक्चर भेज दो and I'll make sure I make a tutorial for that hairstyle. The link to my Instagram handle will be down in the description. Okay, so enough for today with the comments. Let's start with today's topic, the dandruff. So many of you guys may think that dandruff is caused due to dryness, while others are more in the favor that dandruff is caused due to wetness. And I'll say this, both of you guys are correct, okay? Dandruff may be caused due to dryness as well as wetness. So with that being said, I think this is a really good time to remind you guys that if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, a like and a sub will be really appreciated. As you can clearly see, I'm just starting out on YouTube. So yeah. So if your scalp stays in a dry state for extended periods of time, the skin cells on your scalp actually start to flake, and those flaked skin cells are actually the white things that you see on your hair and you call dandruff. Whereas if your scalp stays in a wet state for extended periods of time, that wetness causes the formation of small white lumps that is actually a type of yeast, and that yeast is called malassezia. So in order to treat your dandruff, you first need to know what type of dandruff you're going through, because if your dandruff is caused due to dryness, you've got to go this way, and if it is caused due to wetness, you've got to go this way. Okay, these are completely opposite solutions to each other. So if it is caused due to dryness, you need to wash your hair less often, and maybe you can use some leave-in conditioners in your scalp to really keep it moist all day long. And on top of that, you can use some sort of oils, maybe argan oil or coconut oil will be really good. On the other hand, if your dandruff is caused due to wetness, maybe you can wash your hair more often, or you can cut off some of the oils from your scalp, and you can avoid sweat as much as possible. Okay, that is going to minimize the dandruff. So all in all, you have to find that sweet spot where you are neither washing your hair too often nor too less, to kind of stay away from the dandruff. So I also had dandruff like 4 or 5 months ago. It was caused due to dryness, so I started applying coconut oil to my scalp as soon as I was done drying it out after a wash, and I've been applying that ever since. But I don't know if it is going to come back, if the dandruff is going to come back due to wetness. Who knows man. But that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and with that being said, my name is Manoj and I'll catch you in the next one.